Despite its remoteness, Berkshire boasts many great assets, including fantastic fishing, an abundance of sunshine and friendly people. With a population of around 550, the Shire covers an area of 41,802 square kilometres, with two main communities of Burketown and Gregory. The balance of the Shire is primarily made up of pastoral properties. On behalf of Berkshire, I invite you to come and see for yourself what the Gulf has to offer. You'll be delighted by what you discover. Berkshire has much to offer the innovative, perceptive investor. Developments with strong socially and environmentally responsible focus are welcomed and encouraged by Council. We look forward to the opportunity to work collaboratively with the commercial and private sector to bring about such development, be it big or small. With live cattle export through to potential agricultural diversification prospects, for example in aquaculture and irrigation, the Shire is strategically placed to access the markets of Asia and beyond through the Port of Corumba. Provision of alternative energy technologies by innovative developers utilising an abundance of water and sun could create numerous opportunities within the region. Already home to mining activities, Berkshire sits on the cusp of a mining expansion. Several opportunities are being explored and early indications are positive. Potential tourism scenarios abound, from the majestic Lawn Hill Gorge through to the rugged landscape in the northwest of the Shire. The vast plains of promise. There's much to attract tourists looking for something special. The Shire abounds in strong natural and cultural values, being home to fossil fields, unique flora and fauna, rich Indigenous history, as well as the legacy of numerous visits by intrepid explorers seeking opportunities to meet the needs of the expanding colony. There's much for the astute investor to capitalise on to attract both general and niche tourist markets. Service industries from mining, pastoral, tourism and small business are seen as an emerging growth area for the Shire and wider region. Council is currently seeking to determine industrial and residential land parcels that could be made available and is working with various stakeholders to maximise availability and ensure unencumbered land security. The completion of sealing of the road from Gregory to Burketown, along with road infrastructure improvements, has created greater security regarding accessibility. Berkshire Council envisions a robust and vigorous future for the Gulf, and as such, continues to plan and invest heavily in infrastructure to meet immediate and projected needs. While small in numbers, the Shire is big in heart, an attribute that continues to serve us well as we move to embrace the future. The townships of Burketown and Gregory offer an existence removed from the usual stresses of urban living. Peaceful, relaxed and best undertaken at an unhurried pace. Fishing, canoeing, bushwalking and birdwatching are all part of the family-oriented Berkshire lifestyle. The significant Aboriginal history and the many great explorers who traverse the country, along with the ruffians, adventurers and visionaries, all help make the Shire what it is today. We're proud of the Shire's history and its current day landscape. It's obvious to both long-term residents and recent visitors that this part of the world has something special to offer.